Yo, how's it going all? Oh yeah, we didn't get the lights on. Yep, lights are on. Lights, camera, action. Right, let's get this sorted. Where's the sound today? Where's the sound at? Let's keep yesterday's music. Yesterday's music was good. Right. All right, who we got here with us right now? Abdi in the house. How you doing, Abdi? You all right? Oakley too. Oakley in the house. Yes, Oakley. How you doing, Oakley? Good. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Danny, I'm in longs. Wow. Yeah, the longs did play out. They've been playing out. End of Asian session. Okay, let's have a look. 1 second. I just got a bit late today and a bit delayed and a bit confused because I had slightly down in there. I think that's about right. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we're good to go. Yeah, I just got a bit confused this morning because when I looked online and I was searching for my account, I found 2 other accounts, some fake accounts. Same with my name, same username. They even downloaded and bloody uploaded some of my pictures as well, which is annoying. It'll probably bounce back from here. Yeah, it probably will. It probably will, bro. Let's have a look at what's happening in the markets. Is the sound okay on your side? And all you guys hear properly? Juggling by rate. Yes. Oh, wicked. Thank you. Let's have a look at what's happening in the markets right now. Yeah, it's not really nice price action. Let's just move this here for now. Let's do some top-down analysis. 4 hour. 4 hours just chopping around. Let's just clear the charts. Remove 6 drawings. So yeah, 4 hour right now is indecisive. We don't know which direction it's going in. Can't tell. It's chopping around. But it's been playing around in this fair value gap. A4, yeah, Aaron's, hi bro, hi Aaron, how you doing, Aaron? Hey man, what's the best advice for a beginner trader? Beginner traders, don't spend money on courses and stuff at the beginning. Don't put your real money into the markets. Don't start buying prop firm challenges when you don't know what you're doing. You're going to lose a lot of money that way. The best thing to do is start going online and looking for your style of trading, what you like, what you understand, and then start searching for videos around that area. ChatGPT is there to help you look for videos, but just search for beginner trading videos and start learning, because this is not something you're going to get over a couple of months. It's going to take a very long time. So before you get scammed by anyone, just learn the free basics as much as you can. Oakley, I think some retracement is a good idea. Yeah, man. So this area here was like a supply zone. No worry, AU. Stick around, man. You learn a lot. We always here live every single day. Hoping to get it down pat soon. Now you will, man. You will. Okay, so this was a supply zone. This area here. We're gonna zoom in a bit, and we're gonna see what's going on. But like, don't get overwhelmed. Okay, so this area is being respected. We've not broken structure to the upside on the 4-hour time frame. Thank you very much, AU, for following. Thank you. I'm holding longs from 710. Wish me luck. I wish you luck, bro. You got this. Hopefully it starts pushing your way. Hopefully this area here hasn't decided that it's going to start pushing down. Other than that, if this area gets respected here, price pushes up, breaks this area here, then yeah, you're good. Okay, let's zoom in. 1-hour time frame, because right now this is all technicals, but we need to figure out, before we continue the technicals, I need to figure out what the economic calendar is doing, what the fundamentals are doing, what's happening in the news. Losing everything today. Yeah, man, people are making fake accounts, which is pissing me off, and then they're writing in their comments to send them a DM. Do not DM anybody, guys. Don't. There's so many fake accounts with my details on it now, so don't DM anybody. Yeah, if you want to get scammed, then DM them. If you don't want to get scammed, don't DM anybody with my account name, because there's a few people now that are copying my account. So good morning, Leroy. Good morning, Leroy. I was just telling everyone, this is my only account, the only account that I go live on. This is it. There's a few other accounts with my details on it, and the same picture, the same username. Report those accounts if you want. They're not really doing nothing with it. Nicholas Tafarel said hi. Nicholas, how you doing? Nicholas from YouTube right now, yeah? That's good. We needed some guys over from YouTube. How you doing, Nicholas? Okay, so yeah, no red folder news on Forex Factory. Let's have a look at the economic calendar on here. Yeah. Everyone's good to go. But remember, just because there's no red folder news event, if you're on your personal accounts, make sure you're still protecting your capital. Use a stop loss. Don't oversize, force trade, revenge trade, blah, 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 all the rest of it. If you're on prop firms, just make sure you're trading safe. Risk management is key. You don't want to blow your account straight away. So yeah, trade safe, guys, even though there's no red folder news events today. But then let's have a look at the markets. So on the 1-hour time frame, we can actually close the gap there, tighten it up, so you can see there was a move here and a retracement there. So let's have a look on the 30-minute time frame, because obviously we can't see nothing here right now, or even on the 1 minute, even if on the 1 hour, sorry, even if we zoom in like this, it's the price action's not the greatest. This was a 4-hour fair value gap that I had marked out. If you struggle to remember what areas you've marked out, you could just put an arrow in there like that. And then you have this tool here. You could just, with all the stuff you've saved on the side, so there's 4-hour fair value gap, so just put that there, so you know that area there was a 4-hour fair value gap, so that's why that's marked there. Now this area here is, for me, it would be like a, not a 15-minute though, it was like a 1-hour supply zone. The price has reacted in that area and then pushed down. Let's see what happened in that area yesterday. That is a trade that we should have actually caught if we get good price action. Let's go have a look. But before that, let's just drop down to the 30-minute time frame, see if we can see anything nice. Longs are good. It's just pulled back, Danny. Yeah, man. How come I never see you take a trade? I take one trade a day, literally one trade a day. So like sometimes if the trade don't come, I don't take it. If the trade comes, I'll take it. But you might see me take a trade today. It all depends what happens in the areas. Oakley 2005 good traders only take A+ trades. Leroy completely, but there's a decent setup. What setup are you looking at right now? Because if the trade goes without me, I won't take it. I can't actually see a setup right now. So now price has gone into the 30-minute. I'm in the 30-minute, sorry. So let's have a look what happened here. Okay. So this is the area I'm looking at. I'm looking at yesterday's area. What happened in this area because I missed this trade. Okay. This yesterday was the banger trade. Yeah. Came into the supply zone. If you look on the 15-minute time frame, it's changed character to the downside, retraced just past this order block type of thing, but a fair value gap there. That's good. That should have been a trade that was taken. Let's have a look in the 1-minute time frame what that looks like, and then we'll have a look at the price action for today. Yeah, 1-minute price action was quite choppy yesterday. Not nice. Have a look at the 5-minute. Wow. That would have been a good trade just to take on the 15-minute time frame. Man, that's crazy. All right, let's have a look at what's happening today right now. On the 15-minute. Yeah, Oakley, I took shorts from 970 to 680-ish. 1 minute zoom out, little FVG in market of it pulling back, then instantly getting dumped. London is slow at the moment. Harry, yes, you're right. London is weirdly slow at the moment. See, that's what it is. Like, Oakley, I will have my window like from, just say maybe slightly at pre-London to around about 10:30 a.m. GMT time or 11 a.m. GMT time. That's it. If my trade don't come, I won't take it. So the only thing I can see right now it's a bit of a sticky one. This is let's push down, retraced. Okay, so from here to here, and break structure to the downside, pushed up, changing character to the up. So yeah, this for me, this would be a bit confusing. Either I'd feel like there'd be a sell-off from this area here, or price can retrace a little bit low and push back up again, because it is kind of chopping around and changing structure to the upside, but it's not guaranteed, and price is not clean. It's not clean enough for me. Have a look at the 1 minute, sorry. stopping. Yeah, this is not nice price action. Oakley, what time frame did you take your entry on? $970 is here. Took shorts from 970 to 680ish. Oakley 5 minute and 1 minute, also 15. Yeah, I can understand why some people have taken their trades, but I don't like that price action. That's yeah, it's just not clean enough for me. Yeah, guys, I was just saying, so if you see any other accounts with my name on it and they contact you, because I don't contact anybody first, so my long getting cooked right now. Oakley 205. It's Oliver. I'ma take buys. Nice one, Oliver. If it follows your game plan, you got to go for it, bro. Leroy, not part of my game. Yeah, same. Not part of my game plan. Not part of my game plan. I'll tell you which one was part of my game plan, which did work out quite nicely, but that was right at the end of Asian session when that big push up happened right down here. Came down till about here. But even then, I would like it slightly more retracement. That I would have had my buy on from here, but it wouldn't have tapped me in. That was nice. I like that. But yeah, if you see an account with my name on it and they follow you or they message you first, yeah, don't follow them, because there's a couple of accounts with my name on it, fake ones. This is the only account I have. You don't want to get scammed by anybody. Oakley, Danny, this is when you know you are popular. You're getting this. You start getting fakes. Yeah, I'm trying to be popular, but I was thinking it was just nice that if this shit didn't happen, but it's shit. And now I feel like there's a lot of content out there because they've gone on one of my private pages and picked up a picture of me and my son and put that on their page as well. Idiots. And it's like saying TikTok is so like lame that you can't even report anything properly because they've blocked me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out how I can contact TikTok and get them pages removed. So I don't mind them copying my content and just creating a page. Obviously they can't go live like me because this is the main thing that I do, go live. So they can't go live like me unless they just record me for about 1 hour and just play it every day. Oakley saying I have long in from 710. 710. You entered a long down here. Yeah, if you entered a long here, that's where you have to be careful because price pushed all the way up. That area right now, if you go on the 15-minute time frame, is a danger zone because on the higher time frame we're very bearish, and that's the area that you have to look out for. area that I would say look out for was this area here. That's where price has reacted, retraced into, rejected on the 15-minute, and we've had two big candle pushes down now. So hopefully this is a retracement and price will continue pushing up. But if this is reacted from this area here and it's going to continue pushing down, this can possibly continue pushing and break structure to the downside. But price is like this. Look how shitty it is and choppy. I don't trade when price is like this. I do not trade it. You talk about signals and fakes are coming, always the same story. Yeah, tell me about it. Fucking too many flipping. It's annoying though, isn't it? Like someone just picking up your content and putting it on their page and just using it and building a, because that person, whoever's followed it, has got over 3,000 followers already, and my damn account's sitting at 4k followers. So that guy's gonna end up getting more followers than me, and it's not even me. They just know how to market it right, don't they? It was more experimental, to be honest. Oakley saying it was more experimental, to be honest. Okay. Let me go onto YouTube and see if my live is actually working. Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch things up on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with TikTok or YouTube or anything. I can't figure this shit out at the moment. This morning I felt like I just felt like, oh, do you know what? I might just stop doing the lives now. Just can't be asked. Because there's always a problem. Like TikTok's not always pushing it out properly. YouTube's not pumping my content out. I'm not sure why. Sometimes I get influx of people and sometimes I get like zero. Wow, what is this price action? Look how shit it is. Oakley saying no. Yeah, no worries, no worries. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be here. But I was just thinking that this morning. I was like, should I not? See, there's a few other lives on YouTube. They've got like 1k viewers. Like, why am I not getting? I got told yesterday my lives, so Danny, I've got along from 710. I think I should call my losses right now. So crap price. Harry saying so crap price. Yeah, it is, man. That's what I was saying to you. I was like, this was the area that needed to be watched out for. This area here. It depends how much you're losing right now. How much are you in a loss by? I'm hating this price action. It's so annoying. All right, yeah, so YouTube is still on live. On my side, it wasn't showing that it's live. But it is live. It's alive, guys. Don't worry, we're still here. I made 500 on Asia now. Just lost 700 on crap London sesh, says Harry. Oh my God. My long is cooked. Oh my God. Oakley, this is the reason. Do you know when you asked me earlier, you said, why do I never see you taking a trade? This is the reason. I just never enter anywhere for the sake of it, just because I think price is going. I don't like feel like I think price is going in these. I like to have a few confluences and see, okay, this lines up, this lines up, this lines up. Okay, now I'm ready to execute. But if I don't see them, like, it'll have to be a good couple of confluences. If I don't see them, then, because then when I do a nasty trade, if I took one like this and then I just got stopped out, the next trade, you're supposed to like sit back, relax, patiently wait and think, okay, let me journal this, let me figure out what went wrong, let me figure out why I executed, and then once you've journaled, you've had a little bit of sit back and relax, then you go back onto the charts again and wait for another setup. But what usually happens is you just take the loss and then you're in straight away. Like now, if I took that loss back in the days when I was just like learning to trade and stuff, I would have took this loss and then I would have seen price pumping and I would have entered straight away. And then I would have seen price go against me, and then I would have closed it straight away. And then price would have played out, and then stupid things like that happen. So I've just learned to just sit back, relax and wait patiently. If today's not my day, then it won't be my day. Simple as. Oakley saying it's so bad in London. Yeah. How long a day do you spend looking for position? Oakley, I just come on the charts and I'll sit on the charts, like I'll mark them out, and then you see me here in it, like between 8:30 a.m. and 11, and that's it. If it comes in that time, it comes in that time. If it doesn't, then yeah, then I fuck it off, man. Because at the end of the day, I know maybe out of 20 days, 12 to 15 days, a trade is definitely going to show up. So that's out of like 15, out of 20 days, between 12 and 15 days, a setup shows up. If I catch all 12 setups, I'm winning, man. Because I look at it at monthly, how much I'm coming out at the end of the month, not like daily or how much. I don't really like looking at my P&L every single day. Oh, I'm in this much profit. I'm in this much profit. I've made this much today. But that's what makes you end up losing and blowing your accounts fast. Do you set price reminders? Also, do you trade New York? Yeah, I trade New York. I trade New York by myself. I'll just sit there and look. Sometimes I'll pick my son up from school, and then after that I come back, and then I'll see if I see price coming into my area or not. And if it's moving nice, very nice price action, not too volatile, because when it's too volatile it can smash you out. I drop the contract size very low because you can't have high contracts in New York time. And then I make sure the price of my contract size drop down lower but matches what price the UK price was, the London session price was, and then I'll go for my entry. But yeah, this is how I enter my reminder. So just say if price comes back here, I want to see what happens when price comes back here. I'll click on this plus button here and then add an alert like that, and now it's added these little dots here. It's added an alert. So when price comes back in that area, it'll drop me in. Oh no, that didn't add an alert, sorry. Let's do it again. So just say I want price to come back to 29727 and alert me. Click on that, and then you add an alert. Well, so I don't know. Why the fuck is it not adding an alert? God damn, man. It's so strange. Let me clear the charts. Yeah, normally I just set an alert. Like that, and then when price goes into the area, it just rings, but yeah, I don't know what it's doing now. But yeah, usually I do add an alert. Or it's either Alt A on the keyboard. Also, do you trade New York? I do the same. I think I'll hold my long at 710. What? Damn, that's some. So you've got a long that you placed here at 710. And then where was your stop loss? $7.10. Stop is at 6. The stop loss is all the way there. Wow. Oh, okay, you're just testing. Okay. I was wondering. I was like, wow, it's a massive stop loss. But it depends. If you'd like full on day trading and you're just looking for a 122 or a 123 or whatever, then people do set them kind of stops. Global partner, you gotta go. We don't do signals, bro. Jeffrey, veggie boy. How you doing, Jeffrey, veggie boy? Conweezy, how you doing? Sosa, Harry, George in the house. George, how you doing? TikTok's playing up again. It's not pushing the live out as usual. Terrible. And price action is absolutely pile of shit this morning. Roman, is your bias bearish? The market is bearish, but I don't know if it's going to reverse. I don't get married to a bias. I follow market structure, so I just go whichever way the market's taking me. So I don't really follow a bias. I don't really get married to a bias. So look, if I go into the 15-minute time frame, I was looking at this area as a danger zone. I could have easily took a sell there, to be honest with you, and just held it just till here. But price action wasn't nice at all. It was absolutely shit, and we're still getting shit price action. And price will start pushing back up from this area here. I've not got any bias at the moment because I think price action's just a pile of shit at the moment. Like, who would want to trade in this chop? I wouldn't. I definitely wouldn't want to trade in that chop. So I'm sitting on my hands and waiting. And listening to some nice music. Conweezy, do you ever take a trade on live? Yeah, Conweezy, take a trade. I take many trades on live. It's just that the times that you come on and sit on, or anybody else comes on and sit on different times, I don't sit there taking constant trades like some scalpers. I'm not a scalper, I'm a day trader. So I will only take my 1 or 2 A+ setups if they come in the day. And if my A+ setup don't come in the day, I don't take the trade. So yeah, two people asked me that question today. Thanks Conweezy for asking, but that's a good question. Oakley, Danny, do you not feel tired when you are always on charts? I spend 2 hours on the charts, roughly about 2 hours. So around about 8:30 till about 11, so 2.5 hours, or 8:30 till about 10:30. That's it. I don't stay on the charts. True, we need to pay a visit to the headquarters, says George. But yeah, we need to go pay a visit to the Wall Street. Tell them, look, what are you playing at? Why is price not moving? Absolutely shit right now. Oakley, I took the opposite. The thing is, people like don't get it. Like they think just because they've taken a trade and they've not seen me take a trade, either I've taken my trade already before they've logged on, or I've not taken a trade in the session because I can't get good price action, but they've taken trades. Then they always question me, oh, haven't you taken a trade, or why haven't you taken trade? Just simple reason is like my game plans are different to yours. Like what you see as a good setup, I might not rate it, and what I see as an amazing setup, you might not rate that. So that's another thing that happens as well. So that's another thing about live. Like it's difficult, but once you catch them, you catch them. But if you go onto my main page, you'll see a few trades that we've taken. I always upload something here and there, so you'll see trades that we've taken. So this didn't go to 6:30, so you're still in your trade, Oakley. Am I right, Oakley? You're still sitting in your trade? Oakley's still sitting in his trade. It might go in your favor, bro. It might go in your favor. It might react from this area here. Look. I want to try something actually. 1 second. So just say I mark this area out. That moves shit. That's fucking shit. Yeah, it might be just reacting in this zone here, and then just completely keep pushing up. And this might be the area. You might see that. You might see something like that, then that. If you see something like that, then Oakley's gonna be like mega happy. Oakley's gonna be like, yes, man. But nah, it's not exciting for me. Leroy in the house. Is Leroy still here? Oakley, I was so down, now almost at break even. Oh, longs or shorts? I got no clue at all. Nobody's got a clue right now. Just price action's a bit messy right now, so can start creating some sort of support and resistance zone, but we don't know. Don't trade support and resistance anyway, even if it did. Come on, guys, we need to start. You know what? Every single day, I don't know what TikTok's doing, but even the followers are not following. That before I was getting bang, bang, bang. I didn't have no time to talk. I'd be like, yo, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Maybe I'm giving out too much free information. Maybe I shouldn't give out no more information. Maybe I should just like zip my lip and just stay quiet. Oakley, what would you do if price reversed from here? Literally, if price reverses from here and comes back right back just down till here, not to your stop loss, but just down till here, what will you do? Oakley said fucking cry. George, I was this close to like saying I might stop doing the lives today, because I was like, I've got a couple of accounts that really annoyed me today, that some people have copied my accounts on TikTok, and I was like thinking, oh my god, shall I just leave it now? It's kind of annoying, but yeah, but they can't do live like I can do, can they? I got a feeling it will, Danny. You never know. Farhan, yo, 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 Farhan. Any trades today, Farhan? 0 from me right now. I've not done any. Seth, you never trade, bro. Seth, you're the third person that said that. How the hell do you expect me to trade this chop? Seth, I do, I trade, I'm a day trader, I'm not a scalper. If I was scalping, I would have taken many trades already. But if you go back to my page, you can see the trades I catch. I catch usually between about 12 and 15 A+ trades a day. Not a day, a month. So in about 20 days, I catch between 12 and 15 A+ trades. I don't take no more trades than that. So like, some days you'll be with us on live, and some days my trade won't come till the New York session. But you got to remember, I only do live 8:30 a.m. to around about 10:30, 11 a.m. GMT London session. So that's only 2.5 hours. So I won't take a trade if my trade don't come in those 2.5 hours. You got to remember that. Seth, no, I can't full pull anything at the moment. I'd love to. I should have, but no, I can't do it. Oakley full pull, whatever. Bad boy just blew my account just now. Oh no. Just blew the account. It's okay, bad boy. I meant boy. It's boy, not bad boy. Boy says he has just blown his account right now. Yeah, I might just do that, George, you know. I might just do evening lives, you know. I don't know. I need to switch things up a little bit. I might start doing evening lives and not trade London session lives no more. And then all I do in London session is trade what I need to trade in London session, and that's it. And then don't do that live, because I can catch my trades without the noise that way. And then in the evenings come on live. So there is a possibility. George, that is a good you know what, I'm gonna have to test it, ain't I? I'm gonna have to test it. Like, I'm gonna have to like come on live in the evening and see what kind of audience I get and what kind of reception they give me. Like, Seth, what's your win rate? Bro, do you know what? I told someone the other day my win rate was 90%, but I was just chatting shit to them. My win rate's about 67%. 67%. And even to get a 67% win rate, it is very, very hard. What about you, Seth? What's your win rate? Oh, Hannah, just bought a BMW X5. Well done. Hey, why is that logged out? Tradeaway, you can't log me out. What the hell is going on? Imagine if I was halfway in a trade and that shit tried to log me out. To be fair, it's not letting me log back in. Hopefully, Farhan, hopefully I can get a payout soon. You damn sure can get a payout soon, bro. Do you know Peter Kennedy? No, Oakley. Who is Peter Kennedy? Seth, 63% this year, and only 1-to-1. Seth, so do you do just take 1-to-1 trades, like, so just say you risk 100, you make 100, like that? You got 63% win rate. Guys, do you ever get this? So just say you're on trading view, and at the top of the screen just here you've got this icon and it's saying poor signal means delays, leave the woodland for flawless updates. What the flipping hell does that mean? Does that mean my internet's playing up? Or does that mean trading views being shitty? I can't tell. Oakley saying my win rate is honestly around the same, Danny. Yeah, trust me, man, it's good. That's a very good win rate. Seth, no, usually 1-to-2, 1-to-3, but I hit break even often. Yo, Seth, I love 1-to-3s. 1-to-3 is my sweet spot. But on the higher time frame analysis, lower time frame execution, so at least try to put it down to the 1 minute time frame when I take an entry, and it has to be a 1-to-3. Like I really love the 1-to-3. It normally hits my entry, it normally hits my take profit a lot, but I have to bring my contract size down. So like if I'm, so let me just show you. So if I'm actually, what the flipping hell is going on today? Yeah, something's definitely wrong. Let me just close trading view and come back, because that is doing some weird shit. Trading view doesn't look like it wants to close neither. Look, just spinning. All right, finally closed. Oakley, trading view chatting shit. Yeah, it is. I just hold lots of drawdown instead of taking losses. Yeah, I just hate being in drawdown. You know, I fucking hate drawdown so badly. This is looking hopeful for me. Yeah, it is. It is. You're right. To be fair, Oakley, if I was sitting in the same trade as you were sitting in, with the size and position that I put on, I probably would have been stopped out by now, to be honest with you. Right, let's go to, I need to go to task manager because this is really annoying me. But George, trust me, man, that is something I'm considering very much at the moment. Stopping doing my London session lives for a short while until I build I'm ending the task on TradingView, so that's task ended. Let's see if it lets me reopen it again. TradingView is doing some real weird shit. Okay, it's loading up. So yeah, I'm really considering not doing my London session lives no more, and just doing something in the evenings. Just do like a recap of what happened in the daytime. I think that may be better, and then I can just focus on my live trading, because this way, whilst I'm live and I'm trading live, I'm getting analysis paralysis as well. I will come back to the London session lives again, but I need the audience to grow massively. If I'm not getting a massive audience, it's just pointless me doing it, really. I need more people like Oakley and Farhan and Seth and Leroy. Okay, Oakley said that's looking hopeful. Farhan, I'm so upset with myself. I'm like gambling trading. I need to stop. I'm happy though. I recovered 1,200. Farhan, you need to stop this gambling behavior, you know. Gambling's good. Like, it's not good for you. It's not good. It's bad. It's very bad. But it's the dopamine hit. The feeling is good, right? But we got to stop that. Jerry Trader 714, thank you very much. Yeah, the feeling is good, but that's what we're doing when we're trading. We're going for base hit, not base hits. We're going for home runs. And we're trying to absolutely smash it all the time, but it's not a good idea to do that. And we're forcing trades, revenge trading, taking entries that are not good for us. I think the internet in the area is very bad, because my trading view is sitting there like this. Look, it's not doing anything. So imagine if I ended up taking a trade whilst it's like this, and I can't close my trade, I'd be buggered. Oakley, I'm now at break even. Well done, bro. Farhan, just waiting for another good FVG and I'll be happy. Farhan, yes, yesterday I was at 1,300 profit and then I came in today. Yeah, today's price action shit. Made 500 and lost it. Farhan, that's scoffed. Yeah, look. My trading view keeps saying this. Let's go on the web version. Go on the web version trading view. Let's see what it's doing. To be fair, everything's screwed right now except for my live. Even that's just spinning. Oh. To be fair, I didn't want to cut the live off. Right, does it look like we're back on, guys? Alright, that looks like we're back on. Okay, we're back on, guys. I just gotta wait for my chat to load back up and then we're good to go. Oakley, price may push from here. Price may push up from there, you know. You may be okay. You might be okay. If it just reverses from here, then you're in danger. But if it continues pushing up right now, you might be okay. I stupidly got, Oakley says, I stupidly got stopped out at 680 instead at 708. My position was at 715. I thought you said you were still open. Farhan, hey, yep, we're back, Farhan is back. Look, there was a problem with my trading view earlier. So now, look guys, so this is what I was saying. So if I'm waiting for a price to go into a certain area, but I don't want to be sitting at my screen, I've got it hooked up to, because I should have just put that sell on then, innit? Just got a quick scalp. That would have been quick. But yeah, what I was saying earlier, if I'm waiting for a price to go into a certain area, just click on the plus icon here. So this price can either be on the left hand side or the right hand side, depending on your preference on trading view. You just click on the plus icon there and then click on add an alert. So then it'll bring this line up. You can add an alert, and then you can move it around as well like that. And then you just put it wherever you want it, your point of interest. So just say I want it there, and if price comes to the area, just alert me. And then you can delete it as well. But let's put it here. Let's put it here. Add an alert. So if price comes literally right there, it'll alert me. Let's see if price taps this area and see if it alerts me. Normally I get like a message, or I get like a I get an email. What the hell? Alert me, man. Oh my god. Everywhere I'm putting that alert, prices just go in the opposite direction. All right, alert me there then. Down. Oh my god, it's gone up. Alert me there. Oh no, look, it did alert me. It already did it. All right, let's do it again. Put it there. It better alert us. Go up. Forehand, never mind. Wow. So Oakley, let's talk about your position. Where was it? Every time I'm putting this anywhere, price is going in the opposite direction. Look at that. Come on. Hit it. Alert us now. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, look, that's one tick away from the alert. Price pushes away. Oh, annoying. Oh my god, see that? Let's put it up there. Let's see if it alerts us there. Oh my god, it's going the opposite way. Alert. There you go. There you go. I get that sound. Can you guys hear that sound? Yeah, you heard it. So yeah, that's the sound I get. And then on top of that, I get an email saying price has tapped into your area. But I always leave room when it goes into the area, so I've got enough time. Oakley, Danny trading with alert. Yeah, tell me about it. Oakley, so tell us, man, where was your price? Where did it go? Where did you get stopped, or are you still in your trade? Because last you said you were at 630, your price was here. I got an alert there as well. No, I haven't. That was a fair value gap, sorry. Danny boy, Farouk in the house. Oh, you stopped at 680. Oh, okay. So you trailed your stop loss. Farouk, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Farouk. Yes, exactly. Nice one, nice one. Yeah, I can't. To be fair, on the 5-minute time frame, if this area gets respected, let me just show you guys. Let me just drop down to it. There you go. So if price respects this area and pushes up, you're okay. Otherwise, it's just going to keep chopping around, or it might just continue pushing down. Oh, horrible price action, man. Like, how can you sit and trade in this chop? Shitty chop. Guys, do you reckon it'll be better if we discuss our trades in the evenings? Like, everyone trades as normal throughout the day. Then we all have a catch up every evening. We can all join on We can talk about the trades that we placed. So come about 7 p.m. GMT or 8 p.m. GMT, and we can talk about the trades rather than sit and wait for a trade to play out. Do you guys think that would be better rather than doing a London session live? Do an evening live. That way we can all have a catch up, a chat, a laugh and a joke, talk about what trades we actually won, talk about what trades we actually messed up on, and then we can talk about the psychology things as well, because we'll have time. We'll not be sitting there focused on the charts. Do you guys think that's a better idea? Let me know, because I'm considering just not doing the London session live as well. It's kind of annoying at the moment because I don't know. Slowly making back my eval. Nice one, Farhan. Farhan says, I really got to stop being stupid when it comes to taking bad trades. Farhan, it takes time. It takes time. Like, I still do stupid shit. I think everybody does. They just don't tell you that they're doing it. They won't tell you that they're doing it. Everybody does dumb shit when it comes to trading. It's like, it's just so good nowadays that you've got prop firms, because before people were doing it on their personal fucking accounts. Now, that I was, before I found out how prop firms work. My aim, I want to scale up to 10 accounts at some point in the next couple of months, because right now my psychology just stops me at 2-3 accounts, and I'm not pushing further than that. I know the reasons why. Is just that I need to, it's like I've hit a wall in trading, and if you want to go past it, you have to like level up. So I need to get past that wall. Farhan, down 650 on a 50k eval, trying to see 1k plus soon. Yes, you'll do it, man. You'll do it. So guys, what I was saying, I've not had an answer. I was saying, do you think it's better if we just stop the lives, London session, New York session, and just come on at the evening time where a lot of people are available? So just say 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. GMT time. I'd say about 7:30 p.m. GMT or 8 p.m. GMT is not too bad. And we can talk about the trades, what played out, what trades came in, what A plus setups showed up in the day, what entries were taken, what entries weren't taken, where people lost money. It's 50-50. Most people are just trying to find winning trades. Yeah, trust me, man. That's the thing. I'm trying to find a winning trade today as well, but I've had 3 people ask me, I don't trade live. Like, they've not seen me take a trade live, and I'm like, because my setup's not showing when certain people are around. So I'm not sure. Thing is, when there's no volume in the markets, you shouldn't be taking a trade neither. Be happy. Thank you very much for following. Yeah, when there's no volume, you shouldn't even be entertaining the trades. You shouldn't even be looking at taking a trade, like when there's literally no volume in the market whatsoever. So shit. Down 450 now. How big are your stop losses? Like, are you how much do you risk per trade? So you're slowly making your money back right now, yeah? Okay, 1, 2, 3s, yeah. So like, how much do you risk on a trade like this? So just say you were taking your trade here, your stop loss was there and your take profits there. Just say that's a 1 to 2, yeah. How much are you risking on the trade, as in price? How much money would you risk on that trade? And that's just a 1 to 2 right now. But only when there's a strong FVG that I follow. Okay. So you just trade directly from the imbalances. I see. So I entered in at 660. How much money do you risk per trade, roughly? What's your set amount that you're happy risking? As long as it's not 500, okay. See, I go for smaller entries, but on the day trading side. So just say, like, if you look at this, I'd risk, like, just say I risk $250. This much, that would be my stop loss, because I'd scale in. Thank you very much for following. Thank you. And then that would be my take profit, like that. So that would, for me, would be like almost a 1 to 3, like risking 270 to make 720. That'd be just over a 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 right now. So that's how I risk mine, depending on how much money I'd like to lose. Forehand, like I said, I'm pretty new, so I need to come down and be more careful. Yeah, you gotta be, man. You gotta be. It takes time. Like, you ain't gonna get it overnight. It's gonna take time, and that's the same for everybody. Yep, that's why I did during Asian session. Forehand, but there was a strong pull to the downside and lost my eval. Oh, okay, I get you. Yeah, it's times like this, I think, nah, I just don't like the market. It's like, what is this shit? How shit is this? Let me see if my charts are all syncing. Yeah, now they are. That's good. Absolutely shit price action. Who's actually taking trades right now? Who's actually sitting in trades right now? We're having a lot of people join us, but no one's really chatting. MC Trade saying me, MC Trade saying 1 micro, 7 Karas, the market hasn't done shit in 2 hours. Tell me about it. 7 Karas, tell me about it. The market is fucking pissing me off. MC Trade said he's taking a buy in at 673. Okay, you entered from that 5-minute fair value gap, I see. Nice, nice. Yeah, that was a fair value gap on the 5-minute. Nice entry on the 2-minute. Just the thing is, you want price from here to just continue firing to the upside. That will be what will be good for you, MC Trade. Round trip, every single one. Tell me about it. It's fucking shit, bro. Why? What kind of price action is this? Imagine if price just bombed up now. MC Trade would just be a happy guy. He would just be like, yep, this is it. Let's go. Let's go. Just consolidating like hell. Yeah, tell me about it. It's horrible though. It's like this, look. 2 minutes like that. So that's where I can see some people thought, okay, price is gonna start firing up. But you've got to remember, it's reacted from this down bearish fair value gap. So this is where the entries come. So this can start fucking, I don't know, if it doesn't respect this and fly up, this can start pushing down big time. So this needs to do something here. So if you look at it at the 5-minute, the thing is so choppy. The higher you're going in price, the better the candles are starting to look. But this is London session. There's nothing really to go from, is there? MC Trade, let's see if your trade is coming in. Seven Karas, I've been in small con trades tonight, and it's funny waiting for hour 30 for 200 profit and then round trip. Tell me about it. That's horrible, isn't it? Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. So here's the chat, guys. Here's everybody in the chat. Thank you very much, 7 Karas. Thank you for following, bro. MC Trade, I'm taking a DGen trade. Emad, no need to trade today, mate, until New York. Yeah, tell me about it. Even though there's no news, there's literally no news, and this is what's happening. Sometimes that's why they say they need a bit of excitement, they need a bit of fundamentals and the news and the big institution, the big players, the banks to like put some momentum into the markets. I just took a quick long when it London opened and then just took profit and closed. Yeah, best way sometimes. Best way. 7 carats, always dog. You have good vibes. Yeah, man, trust me. 7 carats, there we go. Good vibes is what it's about. It's about just being positive. Win, lose, break even. To stay positive, and all we do is trade. Talk all things trading all day, every day. Let me wake up Trump. Yeah, man. Just go shake him up a little bit. Say, come on. Drop a tweet or something. What's wrong with you? I've been here for 1 hour and 20 minutes and literally I can't. The only type of trade that would have come up for me is an aggressive trade, not even something, with confluences, just pure aggressive trade. Have a look what's happening here. How your trades been recently? Emad, my trades have been alright. They've been alright. They've been good. They've been a bit slower than usual. I just wait for my 1A+ trade and just take an entry on that. MC trade, I'm a market shifter. Yeah, man. 7 carats, dude. We just watch price rip up and go back bearish and come back. Tell me about it. Farhan, I'm just happy I'm not down 1600. BOW, what do you mean BOW? I don't get that term. The walrus in the house. Market is going to go down more before it goes up. I was thinking that because we've had a very bearish run. So this little red line I marked out here, that was a 15-minute fair value gap, and then absolutely price dumped from there. So now this is probably retracing back, but I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what price is going to be doing. What are these dojis? Which ones, bro? Oh, dojis, the candles. Yeah, okay. Yeah, some weird candles. George K, some momentum will do us. Yeah, trust me, we need some momentum, George K. We need momentum in the house. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, shitting. Oh, shitting. The walrus, QQQ and SPY need to fill a gap up from yesterday. Yeah, man, these charts are really like stressing me out. I'm gonna put this in front of there. I'm just gonna go have a quick break, guys. I'll be back. Sorry, I meant I need to go put these things away and I'll be back, and I'll come back to all the messages in a few minutes. Right, let's have a look, guys. Let's see where we are at the moment. Okay, let's see the messages quickly. I just needed a break from the charts. The charts were really winding me up. Price action was really pissing me off. So what have we missed here? Just consolidating. Okay. MC Trade Me. MC Trade 1 Micro. Taking DGen trade. EMAD. No trade today. Yep, that's fine. I want to wake up Trump, yeah. Have you managed to succeed in waking up Trumpy boy? RB trades been recently. Good. We've seen all these. We've seen that. I'm just happy I'm down. Seen that. Market's going down more before it goes up. Seen that. What the doji? Momentum will do is QQQ. Shorts might be the wave. Shorts are the wave, bro. I did mention it. I did tell everybody. I was saying this, look. This is on the 15-minute time frame. So let's go on the 30-minute time frame. Same thing on the 30-minute time frame. So look, you've had push up to yesterday's supply zone. So these are the areas that are marked out, guys, and this is why I was saying. So had I taken an aggressive trade here, I would have been good, but that was yesterday. So then from yesterday all the way Asian session, we've just had the dump. Price retrace, push down, retrace, push down, retrace, but there's retrace a little bit deeper. But where did it retrace into? It retraced into, so I've not marked these out. As you can see, I marked them out earlier. I've not marked them out right now when I've just come in. It retraced into this fair value gap here on the 15 and 30 minute and the 15-minute time frame, and price is rejected from there, but it's chopping around in this area. I don't know what it's trying to do. It might continue pushing down. If it does, it needs to break structure to the downside here. Yeah, and then sweep Asian liquidities and then possibly push up. I'm hoping or thinking something like that might happen. But other than that, we go down to the 5 minute. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes pushed into this area, retraced back down, pushed into this fucking imbalance right at the top here, and then pushed right balance. So that was a good entry. From there was actually a good entry to take a sell, because obviously trade with the trend, don't trade against the trend. The trend is your friend, the trend is king, and all the rest of it, you know the drill. So yeah, before I went, I did say that I should take a sell somewhere around here, but obviously I didn't. But now I've missed a trade because I just walked away from the charts. And this is the kind of shit that frustrates you and gets to you, because all that time I waited, and then when a trade possibly showed me a slight bit of its hand, I went and took a break from the charts, and then when I come back, this moves happened. So Tofan, I just blew my account. So fine, man, hit the follow button. Don't worry, it doesn't matter. You will come back again, come back stronger. Make sure you journal. All right, I've got free journaling, the link in the bio, guys. You can join my free Discord from the link in the bio as well. Guys, I think I'm losing MC Trade. Yeah, because you were looking for a buy, weren't you, bro? 7 carats. It could have had longs and didn't. So now only one way to go. MC Trade, I sell or on my other account. Okay. So you got 2 accounts going. Nice. Leroy went for a little break because I was having enough of the charts. The charts were messing my eyes up, and this trade actually plays out, which is good. I liked it. Worked out on the 5 minute time frame, which was nice. Should have entered it before I went for my break, but I don't know. Fuck. Shit like this pisses me off. Look around 300s for potential final direction. Oh no, man. Forehand said I went to use the bathroom. I missed my FBG. That shit cost you a lot of money, man. Cost you a lot of money, that shit. All right, I want to stop chatting. I'm stop chatting rubbish now. Oakley, where is Oakley? Have we still got Oakley with us, or did Oakley lose his trade and leave? Oakley, are you still with us? Tofan's laughing. Tofan, hit the follow button, bro. We are live every single day, but the thing is, I'm gonna start switching it up now. I don't know if I want to keep my London session lives or change them or switch them up or continue them. I don't know. I need my channel to grow, and I need it to grow massively. And if it's not doing that, I need to make some changes. Oh, how long been following, just rarely comment. Oh, sorry, Tofan. Sorry, bro. Right, this price needs to close up there. No good. No good the way the price opened. No bloody good. That is bloody shit, man. Price does this, I'm just gonna like log off. I'm done. I'm done. ALO, bro. Price is 8. Yeah, price is horrible. This music's alright, isn't it? It's just coffee bar music, which is good. Oh, and so this is my FVG right here. Long this soon. That was my little dinky move down. What is this price action, guys? What is this price action? So let's go here, yeah. Let's go there. Let's go to the 2 minute. Yeah, Leroy, it looks like we had some price reject from that fair value gap, which is brilliant. So price pushed down, retraced up, tapped into another whatever was here to the left on the higher time frame, pushed down, pushed up, and completely pushed down. And now it's pushing up. But remember, there's this here now on the 2 minute time frame. 2 minute time frame, you got this area here. Same as the 3 minute. Same as the 5 minute. But then you've had this sweep as well. So let's see if it can break past this area here and close. Seven carats handed me another sweet round trip as of now. I think this will be a good pull to the upside, forehand thinks. Just made 225. Well done, forehand. Do you reckon that's the last of the bear run? Do you reckon that's the last of it? Price is tapped into this area here 3 times. Just made 225, caught the longs at 650. Oh, TP 783. Twizzy, yo, what's up? Twizzy has been a long. Oh, wow. Twizzy has been a long time, bro. Been a very long time, bro. Where you been hiding? Oh, surely it doesn't retrace for a fourth. It's hit maybe twice now. Yeah, I'm trying to think, man. 3 times in that one area. Look at that. Yeah, like once, twice, 3 times. Like, come on, man. What are you trying to do? Been locked in. Yeah, bro, that's nice. It's good to be locked in. I'm thinking about, I'm going to go into locked in zone now as well. I think for the next couple of weeks I might just go locked in purely and just come off the lives now for a few weeks, and just continue putting some content up, and then maybe do the lives in the evenings just to share thoughts and trades with everyone, and then not do the live session. But if you want to stay tuned with me, guys, make sure you follow me on TikTok. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can join the Discord for free. The link is in the bio. So if you really want to, guys, you can join the Discord for free. That's where you get all the updates and all the information and all the free training and learning hub. It's all on there. So yeah, we're gonna have to switch it up a little bit because the lives are not being pushed out as much as I want them to. Not sure if it's a TikTok thing, but YouTube's doing the same thing. Thing is, Roman saying longs. Not sure at the moment, Romans. There possibly could be. Now they could be, but we want some nice retracement as well. Like, we've not had nice retracement, so yeah, just waiting for price. I'm waiting for price to do its thing and show its hand before we can actually take any trades. So yeah, guys, if you want to stay tuned in with me and follow the journey, just join the Discord. The Discord is for free, and I'll be sharing all my things on there anyway. But I may just put a little break on the London session now, just for a couple of weeks, because I'm getting bombarded with a lot of work. Some with prop firms, some with brokers, some I need time to just trade. Then we got the live, but I think I'm free every day, evenings, London session, no, evenings GMT time, so UK time, on 7:30, 8 p.m. GMT, where we can discuss trades, charts. Aaron, Arabs, what time will it be for you? 8:30 a.m. Not 8:30 a.m. That's 8:30 a.m. GMT London session. What we trade. 7:30 p.m. GMT. What time is that for you? 7:30 p.m. 7:15 p.m. Australia, yeah. So I mean, like, what at 7:30 p.m. So like 7:30 p.m. GMT time. So 7:30 p.m. GMT in Australia is 5:30 a.m. Can price just price? It chops, then does a big fat move. Yeah, it does. It loves that shit. It chops and does fat moves. That's what it likes to do right now. Chop and fat moves. All of the sessions volume in this one. 7 carats, you're funny, bro. Forehand only down 80 now, fam. I'm locking the fucking. Just made 1600 basically from losing. Oh wow. Varens, what you suggest about market? I don't know right now, bro. I don't know. He's doing some weird shit. It could be reversing. There could be some sort of reversal now, but we've been very bearish overnight and yesterday. So it could be a retracement and then a big massive push down again. Or if they've happened now, we've had the, so we had the, oh shit. So we had the big push down here, retraced, then we've had another push down there which couldn't break structure to the downside and creating a lot of liquidity in this below this area here. Our price is pushing up. We could just retrace and then just continue flying up for a little while. I don't know. Anything can happen, man. Player one, morning mate, how's it going? Player one, we're doing good, bro. How you doing, player one? Aravarans, order blocks. These orders are too blocked. They're blocking everything, bro. This market is choppy as shit. We can't even get an entry in. It's like, god damn. I'm good, working hard. Well done, player one. That's what you got to do, man. You got to get locked in. Just keep pushing, bro. Okay, TikTok decides to start pushing the live now, so we're getting 27 people on now. Wow. What is the purpose? 7 carats said, what's the purpose of the extensive moves up if they won't secure anything? Not single level locked in. What's happening is, I think because we've been very bearish since yesterday. To be fair, we've been bearish for a very long time now. Look, price just pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. Then we've had big, massive pushes down, retracements, going into discount, going to premium price. Again, premium price pushed down. Now again, retracing. So either it wants to, I think it might still be, but we've broken structure to the downside again. So it might just be collecting liquidity and continue pushing down. I don't know. Saying, have a look if price may start reversing. I don't know. It's just not nice price action. It's not clean. That's the thing. That if you had like 4 or 5 candles in a direction, then a retracement, and then another 4 or 5 candles in that direction, another retracement, which look nice, that would be good to go with. But this is like, you have to like find a mega entry. User, thank you very much for following. There'll be a lot of people trying to take buys from this area here. Took another long and lost. Do we take a long as well? Do we take a long as well and see what happens? Oh, we shouldn't have done it, but we done it. Let's just take a long and see what happens. Let's see if our trade comes in. Let's see if our long wants to play in. Same bro, don't force longs now. It's very possible for it. Trust me, do you know what? I've just got so fucking sick and tired of waiting. I thought, I want to be involved in the markets, and now it's just gonna go. Yeah, so yeah, let's see. I was saying, fuck it. It doesn't matter, man. Like, it is what it is. Let's just see how it plays out. Look at that. As soon as I enter a trade, a lot of fucking volatility comes into the market. Thanks a lot. Thank you, markets. Yeah, that's so shit. I shouldn't have done that. That is so stupid of me. We're currently down, and I'm just looking for a buy when I'm going against the trend. When you all know the trend is your friend, you shouldn't be doing things like that. I should have just continued waiting for another entry. Yeah, fuck it. It is what it is now. We're in now, so I can still come out of the trade. I don't have to lose. Oh my god. So the time I decide to take a trade in the wrong area, we get 29 people actually join up watching the session. I'm already in. Let's cook. 7 carats saying he's already in. This don't look like it's cooking shit right now. To be fair, if anything, this should have been lower. The stop loss should have been there. That would have been better. Yeah, fuck it. Let's see. Bar on love marks of copy traders. Cooking motherfucking eyes because I was supposed to be up at like 12 till 2 a.m. Yeah, at this rate, I'll have to cut my fucking winner. I mean, cut my losers. To be fair, it's pretty aggressive. That wasn't a trade that should have been taken. Still pretty aggressive. Should have had more better confluence, because that was clearly just pushing to the downside. There was no confluences. It wasn't clean entry. It was just aggressive. So when trades like that, if they go against you, that's no one but your own fault. That's just entering just because of pure fucking boredom, just because you want to be involved in the markets. See, that's why I say you shouldn't take trades like that. I'm in this one right now when I shouldn't have taken the trade, bro. I just went in for the hell of it because I've been so pissed off and annoyed with the way the markets have been moving. Charge, yeah, so that's just stupid trade. Shouldn't have took it. It is what it is. Fuck it. 7 carats, you're chilling, bro. Is this even funded or just eval? Why do I have to be shitting my pants for a trade? Do I need to? We can just relax and trade, you know. It doesn't have to be. It's all about controlling your patience. Like, if I know, okay, a trade's going against me and it's a wrong entry, and I know it's wrong, I've had enough experience on the charts to be like this. I don't need to be like panicking. Like, fuck it, if it's wrong, it's wrong. And I know most probably that was wrong because I went against the trend and not with the trend. This still might test the top of the range though. Could at least get a few points on profit. Yeah, I was thinking that, but then my stop loss is too tight. And I don't want to extend my stop loss because I always respect my stop loss. So I don't want to like make it bigger and then I lose more money if price keeps going against me. So I'd rather just have it tight there and stop me out. Or if it goes with me, the price just nicely goes up. But it's not looking like it. Or at least break even. Yeah. But it would have been nice if this candle closed here, the previous candle closed there, and then the other one started from around here. That would have been nice, but obviously it's not. There you go. There you go. It's showing its hand. I'd rather it stop me out fast than start ranging here slowly, because then I know, okay, I know where I stand. There you go. There you go. That wasn't my type of trade. That was just a forced trade for the fucking hell of it. I shouldn't have entered it, but I did. Oh well. That's so funny. Yeah, imagine price stopped me out and now continue into that direction. This is where people usually force trade and enter straight away, but then price can still go against you, so you need to be very careful, guys. Charge in the house. 7 count, bro. I asked if that was a funded or EVA. Oh, this one, right? Let me check. This one's 25k eval at the moment with Take Profit Trader, because I've got some 50k ones as well, and I've got some funded ones. Sorry, I didn't get what you were saying. Sorry, 7 carats. So I was up on that account of 4, 5, 6, 7. I was $700 up. Now I'm only $400 up because I took a stupid trade that I shouldn't have taken. Oh well, it is what it is. To be fair, it was obviously incorrect because I had marked this area out here as well, and then I had marked this area out here as well for down. So I should be following the game plan and not looking for the reversal. But prices, this is the 4th time now price is tapping into this area. Forehand waiting for my FPG, you already know. Yeah, man. Aronaro saying yes, 4th time. Yeah, man. At the 4th time it breaks to the downside, fucking reacts from here and continues pushing up. But no idea. If this price continues pushing down and breaks structure to the downside, then there's a possible chance it's just going to keep going down. But let's see, man. Forehand, I think it's going to be bearish from here. By then, quickly we'll see a strong opportunity to enter. Waiting to get back this area. Broke those lows. Yeah, but still tapping that area, pushing up from there. So that's the only thing. Horrible 1 minute candle that was. Absolutely disgusting. Oh shit, I'm looking at the 30 minute on this. 15 minutes, sorry. Yeah. Just when you thought it's going to tap this area and continue pushing up, the people entered buys and then price still started going down. How shit is that? I'm saying very bearish. Right. Horrible price action at the moment. 1 minute changes by a span of milliseconds in this session. Yeah, horrible price action. Horrible. Push down or not, what you suggest? Not sure at the moment, bro. Not sure. Just don't like the price action at all, to be honest with you. Just was so quiet just in this trade at the moment. I'm just hoping for this trade to play out, but I just need it to push up. Currently $900 in profit. I don't need it to push down, I need it to push up. So yeah, there you go, there you go. $1,200 profit right there, bro. So that's why I was so quiet, guys. I was in a trade sneakily. I just wasn't I just was quiet because I was just pumping. I was in a scalp, guys. I don't usually scalp, but that's why I put this here, and then this was my actual trading screen and it was at the bottom. So I was very like glued to my screen. So sorry guys if I went very quiet. I was busting out a scalp right now. Very good. I just didn't want the distractions. So let's have a look. What did I show you? I showed you the price at 25,400 earlier. So now we are 25,919. So it was 24 No, I can't remember what it was, but it was at something. But we made some profits now. We made whatever we lost, we made it back basically. So yeah, we're back in profits again. Everyone's probably looking, thinking fucking Danny the cheeky guy. Shorted from 670. What am I looking at, Farhan? It's done, bro. It's done. I was in a trade and I just see, this is what I do when people say do you even trade? Sometimes to block the noise out, I'm trading on a different screen and not on the main screen. So that's why a lot of times people don't see the actual trades, because I need to block the noise out sometimes. I need to just go over to Take Profit Trader, have a look what's happening in there. Has made 150. Nice one, Farhan. Nice one. Let's see how much my last trade just made. That's the margin. See, after my lost trades, so I lost 2 trades or 6 something. So yeah, my total losers were $600, but then I came back and I made the 600 plus $200 on top. So I'm still in my eval, and right now I don't think I'm going to take another trade right now. So hopefully I see my FVG now and confirm it. Confirm it to be patient. But yeah, guys, this is not the price action for me. I try to ride it out as much as I can. And to be fair, I don't think I like trading in price action like this. So I'm gonna just end the live now and call it a day. We made back literally what we had just lost. And I don't think I want to be trading in this type of price action, because I'll just force an entry for no reason. See, even though it don't matter how much experience you have in the charts, you seen today, I've entered a trade just for no reason. And I shouldn't have entered the trade. Ahmed, yes, my brother. I'm off now, Ahmed. I'll see you later. We took an L today, but luckily we bought it back. We bought it right back into profit. But otherwise I would have had to end the session in a loss. But luckily we bought it right back. MS Shans, what are you trading? I was trading NASDAQ. MS Shans. Miss Shans, make sure you hit the follow button and you're following us, because we trade live every single day. 7 carats, good stuff. Danny, glad you got your loser back. Yeah, I needed to, man, but I needed to like keep it off the charts as well and just do it on another screen, because I just need to cut the noise out sometimes. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna shoot off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue doing the lives in the morning for a couple of weeks now, but we are going to be coming on live evenings. In the evenings, we will be coming on live, guys, at GMT time. So around about 7:30 or 8 p.m. I've not figured it out yet, but I'm going to be putting it on in the Discord. Do New York, Danny? I probably will at some point. I just need to figure out what I want to do now, because things are getting a lot busier. So I might do like 1 or 2 sessions a week. New York, and then yeah, and then do a couple of evening sessions. The evening sessions will just be like recaps of what's happened in the day, trades that were missed or trades that were taken, or break evens, wins, losses, whatever. We just talk all things trading, because I think I just need time on the charts to just focus now, because I want to scale up, and scaling up takes a lot of patience and discipline, and I can't be scaling up with a lot of noise, like just talking, just chatting to everybody, because I need to focus. So yeah, because I'm scaling up now, guys, I'm going to be not doing the lives as much, but we're going to be always on the Discord, so you can join the Discord for free, guys. The link is in the bio, so make sure on TikTok the link is in the bio, on YouTube the link is in the description. Make sure you go over and join the Discord, because we're going to be trading. Well, I'm going to be putting all my live trades and live sessions and everything on there when I'm going to be going live now, rather than just going live every single day, because there's some days that are TikTok's pushing, some days it's not. The YouTube's a bit slow at the moment, so I need to figure it out how I'm gonna do this. But yeah, I'm still around if you join the Discord for free, guys. So yeah, if I feel like it, I'll be coming on 8:30 a.m. London sessions, but I'm not gonna force it. But guys, this is where I said you should have taken your sell. Yeah, this is where I should have taken the sell. This is why I was saying there's a lot of noise and I don't actually pay attention when I'm trading and live, because this is the area. I marked the area out, we tested that area, we've had a push down, break to change of character, retracement back into this area here, and it was this fair value gap here on a 2 or 3 minute time frame. So the stop loss should have been above the, not too far. Oh, 1 second, that's too high. Stop loss should have been, got to put size on a bit more, then that's good. So that stop loss should have been above those highs. Take profit could have just been around there, and that's $1,000. That's if you're following the rules, guys. Because there's a lot of noise and I'm talking too much, I kind of missed the trades. So I'll be putting all the trades online anyway, and I need to and I'll just be doing the Discord. So I'm going to be doing evening sessions, but I don't know what I'm going to be doing. It is the worst price action, but there are trades that could have been caught. There are definitely trades that could have been caught. This 15-minute fair value gap, well, marked out red, that could have been an aggressive trade right from the top, from the midpoint. So like if you put your stop loss there, but that would have been an aggressive trade. I don't really go for aggressive trades, but that would have been an aggressive trade. That's like $1,800 profit if you just let the price play out and run out. So there were trades were clearly bearish. Price pushed down, retraced, tapped into the area twice, pushed down again twice, retraced into this area, pushed down again. Many trades could have been taken. I was just talking and not trading. So next time, let's see. 7 cards, yeah, even though besides the shitty price action I was up 100 to 250 multiple times, so definitely was a scalp run. Yeah, definitely. It was some sort of day trading in there. You could have held trades in longer, just like you have to wait for price to tap into those areas. But anyway, I'm gonna shoot off, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you go and join the Discord in the link in the bio and in the description on YouTube, and link in bio on TikTok. Until next time, peace out, guys. I'll see you later.